Good afternoon. So I am back here at the villa in Jebel Ali Hills. Just thought I'd give you a quick update on how it's looking upstairs. The last time we had a look, the block work was still not in place, so it's just to give you an update, show you how those rooms are looking, just to give you an idea of the size. So just a reminder on the villa itself, the villa built-up area is 7,200 square feet. The plot is 9,700 square feet. We've got pool going over here with your entrance, driver's room, garage. Main entrance to the villa is through here. We have some nice big doors, double heighted ceiling. On the right we've got the living area which leads into the kitchen. Here we've got the WC. We've got maid's room, laundry room, maid's room, toilet, storage room, kitchen space with a back door, back into the living room, main entrance, leading into the dining area. We've got the foyer over here. This is the matchless with the toilet. Then we've got the downstairs bedroom with bathroom. Going upstairs, just gonna have to be careful here not to hit my head. So now you'll see that the block work is in place. As you walk into the master bedroom, you've got a huge walk-in wardrobe. We've got the master bedroom with a view overlooking the what's going to be the park just over there. Upstairs living area and a small balcony, and then we come towards the bedrooms on the other side of the villa. We've got one bedroom here with the walk-in wardrobe and bathroom. Same on this side, another bedroom, walk-in wardrobe, bathroom. And then another big bedroom at the back. All the bedroom space, wardrobe area, and bathroom. So you can see it's all coming along now. Some of the pipe work is starting to come into place. The electrics will start going into place, and then it'll be ready for making good final finishes. So I'll give you an update again very soon.